Omo na mudi Kennedy attempt on TV and on radio. Say Kennedy e bie na adwene so oya kwase ampanyi onim nyansa na wabodam no. Na omo kasama wan, ade na omo kasama ash gold. And omo kasama kotoko. Omo nya no nya party for. Inti Kennedy, he did not need a party protection ana. Ade omo na mudi Kennedy attempt to say abronya man no mo ye campaign maba omiano. Why? Omo no mutumi apologize to Kennedy. Osei Kyei-Mensah onim nyansa. When now audience all to my vice president to say chief of staff no. You are not an intelligent man. When you need kwa margin of former say party no.
I was here for Kelvin Taylor aiding Komobi. Na Kelvin Taylor nkoma wodi ne say ena no ya batwa MPP for koto ya. Wo moto editi a eye yewra Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Na ekwo Agyapong hu yi ankasa in fact Ashiniye, Kelvin Taylor Babe Casa de Afasa, Abatu no Motu Yanohum. And a Kelvin nature say, hey, MPP for one mumbu Kennedy Agyapong. Na woma your madre say, Bua mumbu no munkan say, a bekudi a tea of party ni yankasankasa. If he said one pe, Ken, and I still no gusu lead the NPP party no. Nendie. Wakasa ye nyasem keto achirechire niema mu a ende oh Kelvin Taylor we die wakabia makeni ye ankasa se MPP for ede eye Kennedy Agyapong enim eye form pan titiru ni abronye DC ene wona wakeka ho enyasem keto na ende wase baumia MPP for de o mabai ede na bai wo mumbombo de se o baumia pe ba bia tena wo enti sa wasane bagie ninguase biem wo nyame ya adom a 2028 abato aye beto no wan hwe na baumia ebe we say from ache na no de aye to ye ene oh Kelvin Taylor wakasa yi ankasa nya asem ketoa midin ya de akoso aboaje wa don komedo ye ntense ma Kelvin Taylor de tuja emra
MPP a ho party se begu a the leadership of the party omno party de gu. And a typical example here will be to say Osei Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu, one diabolic, ungrateful human being. Okay? The way I got my numbers our elections through hard work. We were on the ground, we did a lot of research. We all know the bottom-up approach we use here and on the reggae elections in Mabaomia. But I see when we are in a party, now because of elections in tea, you better that man nipa kuobi omudi nipa biechi ashada asay obi. Now in the name say yenwe elections na yenka ehumboma eba sana na nipa bi o party na yehu omo omudi omunye nipa. You see me, I never cared about Kennedy Agyapong and Baumia and now obi win elections no. But the na yan say party mpeni tena ho na ye di Kennedy atem na ye gu Kennedy ni mase senka etitiru fo mpo na nkomo kasa etwa atro edi Kennedy atem a anka Ghana fo nyina beti ase. But these were party rats. You can say party rats they cannot even pay their own rent into many baby tea. These are people answer me to my boxer shorts asheno Edia show show hono echom ko tietie mo party office. These are non-entities, insignificant human pieces. And nipa bi wo party mu sheda create some monsters we say they should just go and destroy Kennedy Agyapong's character. We all know Kennedy has his own flaws. We know I've had my own issue with Kennedy. But for people to deliberately sideline Kennedy say Kennedy de na dia mama yenka na ye ba omia bibi dia, it should be a big problem in the party. People like Osei Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu omo a disease omo no mo say party no. And I swear to God, the NPP now ma force ma ba omia be lead mu no. There is no way you can win power without Kennedy in call for no, the treatment amodia mom. There's no way. And in the first place, we're not going to win power. Now, Osei Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu got TV so. And you busa Osei Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu say, but when we ever sign a year peace pact, no we muna. Tie. Host no what TV no busa Osei Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu. But when we time na mo be sign peace pact no. Na we muna. no o de ka wo ho munti Osei Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu asem o kan
peace party no kwan na amane buafu no ona abwante yesi okwa bufu na ewo ni mu odi wura dem ho no
nanya bufu na ne buda na efu o ye nipa okodi di obi atem na de ekochi yesi bra na mon ko sere ni ntwa picture se yesi ni peace party o ye nipa how do you feel so nanya bufu but ye say ade a ye menra pa ho cha wo so mpa no na party no so protect no enough e ma sa ne ma ne koso no na wo so fa kwa mbiso to demonstrate say you are not happy with ne me koso. It wasn't anger. Okay. Say anger boy, it was righteous anger.
Peace party no kwan na amane buafu no ona abwante yesi okwa bufu na ewo ni mu odi wura dem ho no nanya bufu na ne buda na efu o ye nipa okodi di obi atem na de ekochi yesi bra na mon ko sere ni ntwa picture se yesi ni peace party o ye nipa how do you feel so nanya bufu but ye say ade a ye menra pa ho cha wo so mpa no na party no so protect no enough e ma sa ne ma ne koso no na wo so fa kwa mbiso to demonstrate say you are not happy with ne me koso. It wasn't anger. Okay. Say anger boy, it was
ya sembia na Osei Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu eka moko sane peace pact no na ba omi abuofu adentina na buofu o si o na yedidi ba omi atem Kennedy kasati aba omi na party no na ba omi afili se o se party ni protect no na almost insist se o se Kennedy apologize to ba omi anything na ba omi abuofu oh it ba omi de no hia party protection Osei Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu when you saw a pagin of the party nim when an edit baumia campaign in him sanko for way almost be penny from the MPP nim we omonum Johnson omoda or say oh baumia muna na baumia buofu adenti na Kennedy akaseti ano na baumia insist so Kennedy panicho and also the MPP as a political party leadership now protect or no baumia and into baumia ba sa event na we muna. Oh, so Bawumia there, he needs the party's protection. Oh, Bawumia wants an apology. But Kennedy Agyapong there, he never deserved the party's protection. Oh, really? Oh, in some of the Kennedy Agyapong na sanko for the TV so abronyamo ene sa boy and who fear the two lines Jimmy and who can na in some of the Kennedy no. The question here is internet party to mean protect Kennedy ana. Because they were all MPP members, and or they are still MPP members. I brought your question, paying one MPP. Boy, and who fee on twin top boxes shares in share the 2 lines line question, pay and who fee no can on your MPP. Sa small boy also a lawyer, or cause a Kennedy, a Jenny Enye, ya be an adrimuno. Sa small boy be a nano, say a crime baby. Omun MPP before. So the party could not tell them, the party could not call them to order, the party could not protect Kennedy. Now, Kennedy don't know any part. Kennedy Agyapong de no ya ade on de no nim nyansa na ontiani news onye MPP ni enti na abronye eka sansam no kire Kennedy na Kennedy de ohia protection abronye eka san who was he speaking in favor of abronye na okasama hwan omo na mu di Kennedy atem on TV and on radio say Kennedy e bie na adwene so oye kwase ampanyi onim nyansa na wabodam no na omo kasama wan ade na omo kasama ash gold and omo kasama kotoko omo nya no nya party for enti Kennedy he did not need a party protection ana ade omo na mu di Kennedy atem to say abronya man no mo ye campaign ma ba omia no why omo no mutumi apologize to Kennedy Osei Kyei-Mensah onim nyansa when our audience ought to be vice president to say chief of staff no. You are not an intelligent man. When you kwa margin wa former say party no. Muni munyansa. Mo selfish interest in party no gumu se mwa. You are being selective because chinchini also ba Bawumia bedi enim. Until we will destroy some people. We will destroy some people. Ombi biya ne ama Bawumia bedi part nenim. Na mu wiya no makacha say ye nyina yenka ehumbom internal contest nkwasiafo ma destroy nipa. Mo ni da ho asai nipa. Ma twatro to nipa so egu nipa ho fi. Mu wiye ya esa wiya abani ma ka say ye nyina ye nuanom ye mbra fie ba ku mu asem kwasiafo ma. Enti Kennedy no we jiminti ne supporters na omo life to ho e de omo credibility to ho eye bibia e running a clean campaign no omo de omo jiminti omo be ba Bawumia ne supporters awa too na omo wi aba Bawumia supporters be hu omo sen. How do you want Abronye to see the supporters of Bawumia? How do you want that filthy boy ne ho kankan ne ho sent? How do you want that boy na ne three lines no to think about Kennedy supporters? How do you want these foolish boys who are insulting Kennedy and sport? How do you want them to see them? You still don't get the seriousness of what you have caused. You are still being selective. This is not even supposed to come out from your mouth. Say, Bawumia needed party's protection. Where Jimmy? Now Kennedy there, oh yeah, party glue. Kennedy there, no apology from anybody. Abronye is a whole regional chairman representing the party in the highest office. You people could not tell him to apologize to Kennedy. Moya nkwasiafo. Munya mo Jimmy. Munni munyansa. Mo bugana for say asi nyina ye Jimmy. Mo te party nim. Jimmy ni sika. No respect. Disrespect for everyone. Disrespecting everybody's intelligence. Abronye on your party mazwa. Or your regional chairman. Now Abronye every single day. Odi Kennedy. Na tem Osei Kennedy abodam. Ye bie Kennedy adwinim. Kennedy to na ne so na wo Osei Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu kwasiampanyi da bia na wutie Abronye. More a whole election committee. More disciplinary committee. More NEC. You fools were all listening to these things. Abronye is a stakeholder in this piglet party. None of you guys were able to call Abronye out to say no. Even though Osei Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu campaign, because of your position you hold, you can't make that statement. En kwasiafo montosha agogogogo. Ena mudi di nkura echi munni munyansa. Inti yasiatia no ne ehwe we nyina ne abeto aba ma Bawumia. Mo jimi. Is that how you people want this country to be handed? That's a as a munye nipa. From a Kufuado, Osei Kyei-Mensah-Bonsu, Hakono Uswajman, Michael Kwe, Mumpenifo more party munya as a myself koko. You don't think, you don't have Muntwin Guinim Kwe. Now they're not omo yeno, no mu yet ya wine. Enti Adiachi and I real Bawumia. Na Bawumia, and then Kwasi Afona Beka say, oh, Yenina Yenka Humbum, into the Xenia Renfi. Now when you say Kennedy, Ahyano de campaign. Kennedy Agyapong no Namono, Mojo say Ahya and Osegu Kapuno de campaign.
Meda for that a Kelvin and they work be area mark Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong say Kennedy a woman to a ban farm manono MPP for a big mistake. Na mistake a woman yen say ba me o modern abano enya de say o betimi aba power ne aba power china o betimi acha wadwen e comment section no wa share ma for enya bia share like in a comment or comment section hono miri area akosi aboajewa don ko me da so share macram
Abusafa Amaka Obajiki Travel Hotel, Sabudu, Germany. Global flight from Ghana, China, Dubai. Explore the world with us. Run and fly to Ghana. You better train from Bibia Germany. I brought how that TTB. Now they are for plane. You go to international airport. You go to airport to your destination. And one person will holidays. So if you are able to project to Munya, maybe Metro and some project to use. You go to Yamam, Divine Space. You go to GQ Luxus Hills Hotel. I will equip Maha. We make travel also stress-free. Travel management, expert in traveling. GQ Travel Hotels. Call us +49 17996 4242 +49 1521 485 2424. Check us on our website gqtravel-hotels.com. GQ, stay connected.